Well, that's quite a journey. There's the old one out, a new one's going in, and we'll begin marching back down this mountain. Of all the heater cores I've ever done, and I'm not saying I've done more than anybody else, but this is by far the most intense. And I'm sure there might have been a step along the way somewhere here or there that may not have been necessary, but I don't think I'm too far off of what was necessary. When I get it all back together, I'm sure I'll have another opinion, and I'll make an introductory video. 2 doors, isn't that crazy? Take doors off. Wiper blade, or wiper arm, cowl screen, door trim, floor ductwork. I'm surprised those stayed on. The pedals, I'm surprised they didn't come off. Look at all these parts. That's an insane amount of parts. There's got to be 35 individual parts in that pile. Carpet, some electronics, hardware, dashboard, front fascia, and cover. I've never had to take that off of an assembly before to do a heater core. That seemed unnecessary. A couple of seats. I think it's always a good idea to get the seats out of the way. Other side carpet, electronics. I've never had to take carpet out before to do a heater core. Crazy amount of parts. Miserable job. This joker here never quit smiling. What's up with that?